How the hell am I supposed to remember all the keyboard shortcuts available in Revit?
We'll answer this question in today's video of the Revit Hack series. First, when you have Revit open, click on this tiny symbol at the top, then on File. Next, click on the Options button. Here select User Interface and then click on Customize under Keyboard Shortcuts. In this window, you can adjust or create new keyboard shortcuts. For our task, we'll click on Export, choose a download folder for our keyboard shortcuts file, and then click Save to create the file. Once that's done, go to the Explorer, open the download folder, and open the XML file just created with Microsoft Excel. Here we'll be asked how we want to open the file. We'll keep it as an XML table, confirm here with OK, and the list will be imported. We are interested in the functions that we want to execute with the keys. This column is not needed, so we delete it. Next, we have the shortcut column, which we definitely need, and the path column, which we don't, so we delete it. Now we have a shortened list. At the top, there are these drop-down elements, and we want to filter here. We use the filter function does not equal and leave it blank, meaning we exclude all cells without a keyboard command. Now we have a list that shows all the available keyboard shortcuts. To make the shortcuts easier to find, we can sort them from A to C. You could now print the list or keep it on your computer, which I highly recommend, so you can search it. I hope you enjoyed this video and will see you in the next Revit Hacks video. Thanks for watching.